चंद्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षो सूर्यो अजायत मुखादिन्द्रश्च अग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायत चंद्रमा मनसो जातः. (22nd) 22/7/9. In 22 there is sun and moon together with the highest three syllables of cosmic realm. Many can feel the natural cosmic rhythm along with real balancing of the heart to hearts, souls to souls, in perceiving divinity everywhere with highest clarity of a visionary path. Globomanons Association and MESSOULS are in the leading styles with Vegetarian Club. Life is so beautiful, wonderful, with billions of brains to feel the love of God in human form through every soul. So there is no question of inferiority complex or superiority complex in me, unit space, with highest clarity of a vision that makes human beings realize one's own divinity. Nijraj Yogic Meditations. Invitation to glory. Learn. M is spirituality leisurely through imbibing the qualitative highest three syllables. Create your own destiny. Many have to become leaders of tomorrow when they feel such awakening happens to take care of spirituality of the future. Time is in the mind and love is in the heart. Time is in the present moment always. One can remember about the future. One can only create the future. That means those who are engaged in creativity, creators and co-creators, they should know what is the real meaning of a transformation towards a Satya Yuga. Beginning process, straightforwardness, straight right, straight left and straight. So that many can feel how they are going to grow along with values and spirituality leisurely. No confusion, no tension, not any type of way of one complicated syllabus, but the syllabus that make human beings realize one's own practicality in tune with millennium evolution. Me. Manifestation process. It is not for any religion. It is not for any organization that makes slaves, but to make oneself free from all types of entanglements, but with care to take care of every human family, human species. Then there is more meaning to think about a new millennium, new syllabus for the purpose of spiritual souls engaging in spiritual activities. UNIQUEST leading space, lecturers and ROYL, religion of yogic love. Heart to heart, conscience and consciousness. Those who really feel the need of a change, they should feel the braveness through one's own heart. All those who are brave and courageous only can tread a new path. All those who love to retain the old syllabus, thinking that that will make miracles, that is not a good sign. All those who think that there is a need of change towards a new millennium, the transformation is essential, in tune with certain syllabus and one's own common sense, divine sense, spiritual sense, all types of sense, then it is not serious spirituality, but non-seriousness is not there also, but a peculiar style in allowing all to be in tune with the flow of events towards the new millennium. So 22nd is remembered and felt through hearts. That becomes celebration for me, brand souls, to be a part of a big vision and a mission. Christmas and New Year. Every New Year comes with hope. Hopelessness is not felt. Hope is not lost. Then what is that hope? It is the way of one living and leading with uttermost importance of realizing one's own divine nature and spiritual culture. Then love human species, messengers of love and religion of yogic love in leading styles. Celebrate 22nd with new hope, with clarity of a vision. Global Menons Association and MESSOULS in leading styles. Love to you all. Few words only for those who really want to listen to me. I am here in this planet for you and me. The greatest confidence to feel someone's presence along with your presence, that makes everything so viable to growth stories. Nijraj Yoga Vriksha. Love to you all.